Did you know that 72% of consumers who perform a local search like urgent care near me online visit a location within 5 miles? If you're running a franchise, that's a huge opportunity. But how do you make sure each of your locations shows up in these crucial local search results? Hi, I'm Mark Hay with Ignite Visibility, here to help franchise businesses like yours get noticed online. Today we're talking about creating SEO-friendly location pages for your franchisees. Whether you're a franchisor managing a ton of locations or a franchisee just trying to stand out, this is for you. So why focus on location pages? Well, studies show that 76% of people who search on their smartphones for something nearby visit a business within a day. Google loves local search results, but your locations won't show up without well-optimized pages. Think of these pages as the gateway for customers to find you and as Google's way of identifying your business in each location. So, what makes a location page SEO friendly? Let's break down the essentials. First, number one, unique and descriptive content. Every location page should have some form of customized content that speaks directly to that branch or service area. Google loves local content, so avoid copying and pasting the same text across all pages. Highlight what's unique about each location, whether it's landmarks, community involvement, sponsorships, or specific service that branch offers. Businesses that include location-specific content see 4 times the engagement on average. Meta title, meta description, and H1s are definitely your most important parts. Next up, NAP, name, address, and phone number. These should be consistent across your website and any other platform your business is located, like Google Business Profile or Yelp or other citations. For even more reach and accuracy, consider using local citation builders like Bright Local or Sochi. These tools ensure that your NAP information, name, address, phone, is consistent across hundreds of directories, helping Google trust your business's legitimacy and boosting your local rankings. Next, as I mentioned before, don't overlook your meta titles and descriptions. A study by Backlinko found that pages with compelling, relevant meta tags have a 5.8 higher percent click-through rate. Make sure your meta title includes location name, primary service, and business name if possible. For example, breakfast in Boston, Massachusetts, with your location's name. This lets Google and your users know exactly what you offer and where you're located. Speaking of targeting, don't forget your keywords and headers. Use keywords that combine the service and location, like pest control in Austin, Texas, or family dentistry in Chicago, Illinois. Headers are also critical. Use tags for your main services and location, like plumbing services in Denver, and tags for subsections such as services or customer testimonials. Properly structured headings, H1s, H2s, H3s, make it easier for Google to scan your page, and it can improve your rankings. Let's not forget reviews. Adding location-specific customer reviews not only builds credibility, but also boosts SEO. In fact, 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. If you can, include Google Business Profile reviews or Yelp reviews on your page. They provide social proof and can help increase user engagement. Now, mobile friendliness and map integration. Did you know that 61% of mobile searches are more likely to contact a local business with a mobile-friendly site? Make sure your location pages look great on mobile, load quickly, and also include interactive maps. Embed a Google map of the location so customers can get directions in a click. It's convenient for users and a strong signal to Google. One powerful but overlooked element is schema markup. Adding local business schema can boost visibility in search results by giving Google additional context about your business. Local business schema can help display things like business hours, ratings, and address details directly in search results, increasing the likelihood users click on your page. There's also different categories for local business schema, like if you're a medical facility, whether you provide certain services or not, so keep that in mind. Internal links are another essential part of SEO. Linking to each location page from relevant parts of your website, like the homepage, service page, blog post, location finder, reinforces to Google that these pages are important. Use anchor text that combines the location and primary service, like Austin Plumbing Services. This can help drive organic traffic and boost rankings. Finally, track and monitor. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console can show how each location page is performing. Monitor traffic, bounce rates, conversions, engagement rates to see what's working. Based on your findings, you can tweak content, update keywords, or add more local specific details to keep improving. In conclusion, optimizing your franchisee's location pages might sound detailed and daunting, but each step can help drive more foot traffic, more website visitors, attract new customers, and ultimately grow your franchise's reach. If you need help getting your business found online, don't hesitate to learn more about our comprehensive digital marketing services at ignitevisibility.com/franchise and contact us to speak to an expert. We even have a 20-point checklist for your location pages to reverse engineer your SEO success. I hope you found these insights helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SEO insights tailored to franchise businesses and other local customers. I'll catch you next time.